Hello guys and welcome back to Web Education. In today's video we'll be looking at how you can reopen a tab after closing it. Okay, the first step is to press Control Shift and T. All right, so let us do an example. So this is my tab, my YouTube tab, so I will close it. Okay, now if I did not intend to close it and I want to reopen it, this is what I will do. So I will press Control Shift and T, and we will see our tab will appear right there. All right, if I close this tab by mistake and I want to reopen it, just press Control Shift T. Okay, yeah, and that's how you reopen a tab. Just close. If you close your tab by mistake again, just press Control Shift T and your tab will reopen. All right, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, make sure you subscribe. You should be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and good luck.